All right, good Tuesday afternoon, now evening. There's our view from Carter Mountain as we look off to the north and west. And many of us right now are kind of in a little break, but we are not done with the threat for some additional storms, and some of those could still turn severe. Let's go back to the maps, and this is the severe thunderstorm watch, which blankets the region until 10 p.m. In addition, we have a flood watch in effect until 2 a.m. And we just came off a line of storms that did produce some flash flooding and some wind damage, and that line kind of queued up around the 1:30 hour and then would work especially across the southern tier of the viewing area, especially south of I-64. We had some numerous trees down. We also had some flash flood warnings. Those have expired now for Fluvanna and Louisa, but we still have a flood advisory for northern Buckingham County. That's set to expire here at 6:45. There are some additional showers starting to work back in from the west. Again, you can see some of the wind damage reports from earlier through Nelson County, Fluvanna County, portions of Louisa County. A big tree down on Route 29 near the Davis Creek Lane area from earlier this afternoon. And now we're watching showers move back in. You can see some of the activity here along the Blue Ridge, either side thereof. But we turn our attention farther north and west, and this whole complex of storms, which is near the Elkins, West Virginia area, is being warned on, and you can see very frequent lightning, heavy downpours. So we'll watch this as we get into the 7:30 through 10 o'clock time frame as it traverses the mountains of the Alleghenies through the valley into central Virginia. So right now it's on a trajectory that would impact maybe the northern reaches, but we'll watch that. And of course, that severe threat is still there. Now, the model's not initializing that area. It's actually put it right here at 6 o'clock. Well, kind of think of this as being delayed. So as we get closer toward 8, 9 o'clock, we could have that line working through across the region, still promoting some damaging winds and the like. And then things should quiet down for the overnight with temperatures either side of 70. But we'll hold on to that threat early tonight. Temperatures tomorrow in the mid to upper 80s. There'll still be some additional showers and storms, but the threat for severe weather is more likely farther south and east. That's not to say we couldn't have something isolated. Damaging wind would be the main threat. So here we are in the morning. You can see most of the activity during the day is off to our south and east. The front kind of puts on the brakes. It slows down, but we can still see a shower storm, but I think it'll be a more less active day. And then Thursday we'll start in the low 60s. It'll feel a lot more comfortable Thursday afternoon with numbers in the upper 70s to low 80s. So still some additional showers and storms tonight that'll take us into Wednesday. Then numbers really start to drop more so for Thursday and Friday. And those dew points, which have been high, are going to start to come down. More pleasant conditions, especially Thursday and Friday. So this is an active and strong cold front continuing to work through eastern Ohio and approaching the Ohio River. You can see all those showers and storms out ahead of it. Numerous severe thunderstorm watches in association with that line. This is Tropical Storm Bertha. It will continue to hug the Gulf coastal region. What's uncertain, its winds now at 60 miles an hour, is how much land interaction it's going to have with the bayous of southeastern Louisiana, and that could weaken it or move it farther inland. So the extended forecast for Bertha is still not known. But as we go for tonight, additional showers and storms, that first alert weather day at play for early tonight. And then there's the 7-day forecast showing you those temperatures much more comfortable along with the humidities by Thursday and Friday.
All right, Eric, thank you.